What's going on, everybody? Austin here. In today's video, I want to go over a strategy for you to start making money online, specifically with Instagram, even if you don't have any followers or anything of that nature, or even a product to sell. I'm going to show you how you can do this for very little startup capital and you can start possibly seeing success. Of course, I can't guarantee that you will see any revenue from this. Everybody's results will vary. But if you don't take any action, then obviously I can guarantee you won't see any results at all. If you're new to this channel, my name is Austin. On this channel, we talk about all things entrepreneurship and making money online. So go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of our content and smash that like button for me. So without further ado, let's dive into the computer. And as you can see, I have an Instagram page pulled up with very little followers and very little posts. And you're probably asking yourself, well, how can I make money if I don't have followers? I don't have posts, I don't have products and stuff like that. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, but you got to stay with me step by step so I can show you how you're going to come up with ideas to get in front of an audience that's not even yours, that somebody else built for you to start hopefully generating a little passive income stream from the back end of their audience. So let's take a look. I have a page right here, and as you can see, this could be your page, right? You have 3 followers and 6 posts. First things first, I do recommend that you start creating posts. And your page can really be around anything you want it to be around. But specifically what we're going to talk about is books, because there's a lot of people out there that want to read books or what have you, and they just don't have the time to read them. There's a lot of people that are interested in knowledge and stuff like that. So we're going to jump over real quick so you get a better understanding. Let's jump over to the website Audible. So Audible is a website by Amazon. You've probably heard of them. So what Audible is it's a place for audio books where people could subscribe for $14.95 a month, and they can cancel anytime, and they get to try Audible, or they get to try Audible for free, but they get access to audio books. So people that don't have time to read, but they want to read, and they like to read, and they want to educate themselves, a lot of people are starting to transition over to audiobooks, because you can listen to them when you're driving, you can listen to them when you're cooking, you can literally listen to audiobooks at almost all the time when you're at the gym, so you could be practically reading at the same time you're doing anything else. So a lot of people are very interested in this, and you're probably like, well, how does this have anything to do with me? So real quick, let's go ahead, and I'm going to jump over to Google, and let's type in Audible affiliate program. And if you don't know what an affiliate program is, let's just click it. Let's click the very first thing, Audible affiliate program. And you'll see right here, you advertise. So what that means is you promote Audible through Amazon Associates. You drive traffic to the Audible, the website by Amazon, and you earn money. You make money when your visitors buy Audible products. And you were like thinking, okay, well, I don't have followers and stuff like that. And I thought people didn't have to buy anything. See, I'm going to show you how you could get people to sign up for this and you still get a commission, and they don't even have to buy anything. It has a non-pressure, nothing like that. It's very minimal. And if you scroll down right here, I'll show you why. Right here, the standard fee structure, take a look at it. So if you put your affiliate link, your affiliate website address that is provided to you once you become an affiliate, in front of your audience, and they sign up for the gold digital membership, you receive $10. Okay, but that means they have to pay, which is $14.95 a month. But if they don't want to pay and they just sign up for the free trial right here, you still receive $5. So now your goal is just to give people the opportunity to sign up for Audible for the free trial. Whether or not they stay and become a member is ultimately up to them, which is when you'll make $10. But if they just do the free trial, you still get $5. That's all they have to sign up for is the free trial. And then if they purchase any audiobooks, you receive 50 cents per book. So that shows you, and you're probably still slightly confused as to how this works. So what you would do is you would scroll up, you would click Become an Affiliate. It may already sign me in. Okay, so I'm not going to sign in. I'm going to back out, but you would click Become an Affiliate. You would go through the questionnaires. They're going to have it's going to take you a little bit of time. It's going to ask your name, your email, your ad. It's going to ask some information about you. You need to fill it out, and you need to become approved. You need to get approved to become an affiliate. Once you are approved, they will give you a unique website address. just like how we're on a website address for this. A unique website URL will be given to you to affiliate the Audible program, right? So at which point in time, you need to get that link in front of an audience. And that brings me back to the very first point that we were talking about over here on Instagram. You don't have an audience. So it's like, well, how am I going to get people to purchase this? And they don't even have to purchase it. How am I going to get people to sign up for this? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find people in preferably like books. Remember how I was talking about books? So let's just type like hashtag book, like what do we got? Bookstagram. There's all kinds of stuff here. Book lovers, book club, and then just click on the hashtags, right? And you'll see there's different posts which are from different people. So let's just click this one, right? And let's click the company or the person's page right here. And as you can see here, this person has 13.2 thousand followers, which is relatively healthy, and they have 3,000 likes. And this is the thing. So as you see, I'm scrolled over the image right here in the middle. You can see how many impressions are on this. That's a key factor to show that their audience is engaged with their page. I highly recommend you check that before you do the next step. So yes, their audience is engaged. Almost on a lot of their photos, it looks like they're getting thousands of likes. It's very consistent. I do like that. So what I would do now is, well, first I would start opening up different ones. I'd go back to the main page, right? And then I would check this other person, Little Miss Book Reader, and I would open her up in a different page. So let's just say I opened her up in a different tab, and you'll see she has 75.9 thousand followers, a substantial amount of followers. Look at the impressions on this image, impressions on this one. That has nothing, impressions on this. She's consistently pushing out content and getting consistent impressions. And it looks like she's anywhere between, she's staying around 10,000, 5,000, 16,000, 5,000, 2,000. She's getting a lot of impressions. Okay, so I like that. So now what I would do, or what you should do, is going to be, you're going to want to message them. You'll follow them and you'll just follow them and send them a message, right? And what you're going to want to do is ask them, how do they do shout outs, and how much is their shout out rate? And a shout out means that they're going to shout your page out or your information out. So a big key factor is right here on the followers. You want the followers to be greater than 10,000, because this will allow them to post to their story. We want them to post a shout out to their story with the swipe up feature, allowing them to swipe up and go to your website affiliate URL. So once you become an affiliate for Audible, you get your affiliate URL, and that is the link you want them to shout out in their Instagram story. So whenever they shout out to their audience, and it looks like right here, like they have 76,000 followers. Let me pull up a calculator real quick. Let me find my calculator. Calculator, however you spell it. And we got a calculator, right? So they have 76,000 followers. Let's say 0.05% of them decide, no, let's not even do that. Let's do 76,000. Let's say 0.01% of their audience decides they want to purchase or sign up for the Audible free program, the free Audible trial at $5. You could potentially make $3,800 if only 0.01% of their audience signed up for this free, for the free Audible program. So like they don't even have to spend any money. Some of them may go straight to the gold membership and pay for that, and you get $10. So you can see that the potential is there. And what's even better is that when they have low followers, let me go back to the first person we saw, is when ask them how much their shout out costs, right? The Breakfast Club, she has 13,000 followers. She may have never done a shout out before. She maybe hasn't even thought about it. And she may only charge $5 or $10 because she has no idea. So you can get, with these smaller companies, these smaller Instagram pages, you could get shout outs for $5, $10, $15, maybe $20. and you saw the potential earnings as long as their audience is engaged and obviously signs up through your affiliate link. Again, I can't guarantee they will, but for a very minimal risk, a very low upfront cost, you can start to hopefully build this passive income stream and see what works. You will want to start with one. I say reach out to a couple different Instagram pages, see who is the most affordable, that has the best impressions, and go with them. Invest 5, 10, 20 bucks. Get started and see if it works. If it works, or if it doesn't work, maybe it worked a little but not enough, then you'll want to find another person and try them. And then you'll just want to try different Instagram pages to see which one actually works. And then eventually you'll want to do more, probably pay for more shout outs, start branching out and diversifying, hiring a few more once you start seeing it works. But do one at a time, do it very gradual, see what works for you. And that's about it. It's as much as I can say. I don't want to overcomplicate things. So let's do a quick run through. What you want to do is you want to build your page, right? You want to start an Instagram page, something like this. It could be books. It could be, but you got to think, people could read books on everything. It could be books on cars. It could be books on just any type of books. I would create a book page, a book review kind of like this or something. And then I would try to get them to do shout outs for us. And then I would go over to Audible. I would sign up for my, Audible affiliate program. I would sign up to become an affiliate. I'd get my affiliate link, and then I would then be searching for people like Little Miss Book Reader to give us a shout out. So I hope that helped. I really hope you got value out of that. Comment if you need anything below. I always read my earliest comments. Go ahead and comment if you have any questions. Subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that like button for me. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.